A Texan shave, steel in hand, traditional wet, shaving smooth and grand.
Howdy, and welcome back to A Texan Shaves. Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements High Strangeness Calendar, the Bermuda Triangle Edition, Day 3. Here we are. So let's get right into it, guys. Let's bust open Day 3. You know what? If I don't do this carefully, I will have the whole face of this calendar ripped up. So I'm going to place it right down here. And it's already trying to rip. So there. Just once it gets close to the hinge, the paper tears out from behind it. Let's see here. All right. Got it open. Let's pull this out. I see more DB Cooper, more ships. And let's pull this out. All right. We got it all out. Let me set this aside. And here we go. Look at that artwork. He's floating on a piece of timber or something. Looks like La Serena is popping up out of the water in the back. It's hard to see. It's small. Still, the fantasy note is still Tears of Arthur C. Clarke. And so this one is called the USS Cyclops AC-4. Top of bergamot, pink peppercorn, mint, camphor, lavender grosso. Middle of cardamom, violet, spice, marine. Base of amber, musk, vetiver, leather, and wood. And let's see here. Let's show that. My fingers off. All right, March 1918, the USS Cyclops AC-4 steams south into the Bermuda Triangle. It holds packed with ore, its decks crowded with men who expect a routine crossing. The weather holds, but something in the water does not. A shape moves just below the surface, pacing the ship for miles. One lookout later claims it rose close enough to see a pale female human form where no human could survive. Near midnight, another report spreads quietly across the deck. A black cube-shaped object suspended over the ocean, steady against the wind, giving off no light, yet impossible to miss. Then the sky closes in, a brief, violent squall, hits without warning. Minutes later it is gone, so is the Cyclops. No signal was ever received, no trace was ever confirmed, only an empty stretch of ocean where a ship once sailed, and the quiet feeling that whatever trailed it that night is still out there, waiting. Fun fact, old superstitious sailors warn never to look over the side at night. If you see a face staring up from the black water, it has already seen you, and your journey could be cursed. I can't read the bottom, it's cut off. Could this have happened to the USS Cyclops? So just the bottom bit is cut off of the printing. Now, I don't see anywhere printed of what this might be inspired by or an homage of. I'll have to look up the fragrance notes and take a guess, because there is nothing written on here about what that I see. Let me see if I'm overlooking it, of what this one is an homage to like the other two. So I'm going to go and get all my gear together, and I'm going to look these scent notes up and see what I can determine. I'll be right back. All right, we're back. I had no luck trying to figure out what this is an homage to, so I'm going to have to ask and find out, but I don't know. So we shall see. I don't know if it was just forgotten to be printed on there or if this is something new for PAA. Could be. I'll find out. I've got soap in my bowl here, and I'm going to be using, of course, the Cygnus, because I can't stop using this razor. I love it so much. And I brought out the Amber Aerolite for the brush today. So let's get the brush wet, and I'm going to work up. Well, I'm just going to load the brush with the soap. I'm going to work the soap on my head. We're going to do a head shave today. And let's just get this brush loaded a bit with some soap. And that should be plenty right there. All right. Let's get the glasses off and the head wet. Oh, it does smell amazing. I put some on the back of my hand. Oh, that is a beautiful fragrance. All right. I'm already flinging lather everywhere. It just started. I've got about 2 days growth. No, I don't. I've got 24 hours growth. What am I saying? Did this yesterday. Feels like 2 days growth. Alright, we're going to add some water here in a second. Beautiful. Actually, get some more water on there. Oh, that's perfect. That's what I'm looking for. Oh yeah, beautiful lather. There we go. Wow. Whoa, this smells familiar. Oh, it is beautiful though. I am really liking this one. I think it's moving ahead of the other two. Let's warm up this razor. Wow, hold on. I know this fragrance. At least I feel like I do. Oh, that is so good. What is it? It's going to drive me crazy now. Oh, somebody's trying to call me. Too bad, I am busy, people. Oh, it's fantastic. Fantastic. So I went and saw Mandalorian and Grogu today. And like the old man I am, I slept through about 80 to 90% of it. So I'm going to have to wait until it's available for streaming to know what went on. But what I did see, I enjoyed thoroughly. Yes, I am still a big kid when it comes to Star Wars and Star Trek. I like them both. I just like science fiction. Which is another reason why I'm a huge fan of PAA. Just the atomic age sci-fi they use is just really right up my alley. Oh, this is a fantastic shave. Jeez. Lather came out perfect today. Good job, Barry. You know, some days your shave just comes together, just everything clicks, and this is one of those days. Blade, razor, scent, soap. I am a happy man. This is one of those shaves I wish I was doing both my face and my head at the same time. All right, let's see where we're at on that. Oh, it's perfect. Just a little bit in my usual spots. This side I usually have a lot more, but nothing. Usually this side of my head I have the most trouble with, but lately it's been perfect. All right, time for the back. So as you can tell, whenever I do a calendar for Phoenix shaving, I always alternate between head and face shaves, and the reason being is I shoot these ahead of time just so I have time for everything. It's hard to do 6 days in a row, much less 12 days in a row when it comes to the Christmas Advent. So I do these ahead of time, and I do 2 videos in a day. I hate to burst your bubble of the movie magic, but you know, it just makes sense for me to be able to do that with work and life and everything else. And I'm currently prepping for the meetup, which when these air, the meetup will already be over. So just know I've done these well in advance, just to have them done, because I'm traveling also after the meetup with work, and it'll just be very hard for me to get these done during that time. But it's no secret. I mean, I talked about it before during the Christmas Advents that I do these early. All right, let's see where we're at in the back. You know, these baby hairs on the neck always seem the hardest to get BBS, which is weird. You figure those fine hairs would be the easiest to cut, but I guess they just kind of fold over or something. I don't know. It's just weird that there's always more stubble there than anywhere else when I do a head shave. Yeah, but did pretty darn good this time. There's not a whole lot of cleanup. That was good. Very good. All right, gonna get a rinse, come back up for the splash. My final thoughts. Be right back. All right. Oh, perfect. And I get a lot of soap on my face. Is there a messiest shaver contest? Because I think I could win that one. Honestly, I don't think there's a place in my bathroom that I haven't flung lather on. And my shirt's always the messiest. It's crazy. All right. Oh man, that smells so familiar and so dang good. Oh, all right. Time for the splash. I know when I find out what this is, I'm going to be mad that I didn't figure it out. Oh, that's so good. Let's go over those scent notes again. I can smell that peppercorn. Pink peppercorn, mint, camphor, lavender, grosso. Middle of cardamom, violet, spice, marine. Base of amber, musk, vetiver, leather, and wood. Everything I love. You definitely get that pink peppercorn right off the bat. That little bit of camphor, it's just enough, just right to give it gives it a nice, what's the word I'm looking for? But it just marks it nicely with the lavender. Oh, definitely the cardamom and violet come up, and the marine is really what's making me think I know this. Oh, that is beautiful. All right, guys, that is day 3 of the Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements High Strangeness Calendar, the Bermuda Triangle Edition. I will have day 4 up tomorrow. We got 3 days left, halfway through. Find your peace in what and where you can. And we'll see you tomorrow on A Texan Shaves. Goodbye.